Hello, everybody. It's me back again. I want to share with you a new issue that I have with my 2014 Honda Civic. It happened 3 times in a row. When I stop, I have this little steering light on. You see, let me give it some zoom. You see the light? It looks like a little steering wheel. I was having the light on, and the cluster flickers. Even the radio was flickering, like trying to shut down. So you can tell it was a voltage problem. It's a current problem. So yeah, I guess when you park, you move the steering wheel. I mean, this car has uh, electric steering. You don't have the conventional hydraulic pump. Let me show you. So have you seen the oldest generations? Like I think the 8th generation before has like a reservoir for the hydraulic, and it has a hydraulic pump, the power steering pump, to move the steering. This car doesn't have this. This car is electric. It's a servo. Let's put it that way. That's the right way to call it. The rack and pinion has an electric servo, so every time you move the steering wheel, it sends a signal to the computer, which is located in the right hand, the passenger kick panel. So I guess that servo, every time you move the steering, it pulls a lot of load. Plus, you have the air conditioner on. The clutch also pulls a lot of load, and that will cause that issue. So I have a new alternator. My battery is new, so I discarded that because Castle Life I hadn't replaced before. Um, I didn't replace the battery, and it was a shop. But when I went to look at my car, I found this terminal, both terminals, positive and negative, were both loose. Of course, I would cause that because your amperes would not be drawing right to your car, so it practically would be working on the alternator itself. So alternator having around 14, 13 point, almost 14 volts on it, which is good. And even I disconnect the positive terminal where the car's running, so the car never shuts down, so it's just putting the right amount of power. But don't freak out. I mean, it's something simple. I will go first check the connectors. They're loose, or I read somewhere else in some other uh, forum. Somebody were talking this car where the negative cable goes to the chassis, it tends to get dirty. You have to clean it. It gets corroded. Like you see here, it has some corrosion. So it's just something simple. It's just current issue. So if you had that issue, don't go crazy. So I'm sharing this video because I freaked out when it happened to me. I was on the road, and I thought, oh man, and I had to call a tow truck because I don't know, but I figured out it was an easy fix. So I hope if you like this video, just want to share my knowledge, what happened to me today, so that way you can solve your issue pretty easy. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for notification. Thank you very much.